Come over here.
Oh yeah. What do you want? How you want to?
Oh, you just get, look.
Yes, sir.
We're here with Scott, correct?
Brad.
Brad.
Close enough.
She said Scott yesterday.
I'm still Brad.
Godly. We started bad. Yeah. Edit. This is my own video. I'm not gonna edit thing.
All good.
I'm just gonna put it everything natural.
There we go.
Look, we're here with Brad. He's from Razer.
Yes, sir.
Razer has this gaming company basically. I mean, I've been using Razer products for a long time, but I have over here is Gunnar Razer glasses.
Mad respect, bro.
Hey,
That means a lot.
I use what I like. Okay, I've been using it for 3 years. I don't want to change it. I just got a pair of new ones, but I'm still gonna be switching it up because this one are ROP, and he's gonna speak a little bit about the brand. Go ahead.
Yeah. Well, you know.
The stage is yours.
Hey, life is good. Thank you for that, by the way. Love your energy. You know, this dude, he's on the come up. He's making it happen out here. They're showing us some love. Happy to show it back here shortly. You know, you'll be seeing a lot more coming from us here in the future. But my name is Brad, head of community and influencers here at Razer. Been here about 10 years, and I actually worked on those glasses.
Do you?
Wow, yeah.
Damn!
I worked on those, so it means so much more to actually see them out in the wild and see that love in person. You know what I'm saying? So, but yeah, we're changing the game. Working with influencers, working with the community. We're out here at DreamHack. We're showing off the brand new Razer Lexus TX. It's crazy. It's crazy. We shot a little mini series showing the making of. So definitely check that out if you get a chance. And yeah, you know, we're just out here making some moves. We got a lot of new products coming out here in the space.
Hey, any spoiler you can give? Any spoiler?
We're doing some things with Battle Royale game.
Okay, that's it. We're gonna keep it like that. So you guys stay tuned, you know?
You gotta stay tuned. Yeah, actually, you got the scoop before nobody else knows what you know. Nobody else knows.
Hey.
And your community.
It's not gonna affect you, right?
No. Nobody knows. Nobody knows.
Okay.
But yeah, and we got a lot more coming down the pipe, you know.
Cool.
We're always trying to work with like the top games out there and keep it authentic. You know, we're for gamers, we're by gamers. You know, we got just incredible. What's your do you have like a favorite Razer product?
Razer product. Dude, the keyboard. Well, I mean, this is not a Razer product, but this is a Razer.
Yeah, it was a collab.
A collab, yeah. No, but the keyboard was awesome.
Absolutely.
The small, what is it? The Viper.
So we got the Viper V3 Pro, our brand new esports mouse. It's phenomenal. It's so.
I haven't looked at that one. I wanna see it. I wanna see it.
You're gonna look at it when I send it for you. So don't you worry.
Hola madre.
I got you, bro.
Dude, that makes me my chicken skin come out. Dude, no, I saw an announcement of it. And I was like,
so like we're developing these things with the pros.
Yeah.
We're making it happen. You mentioned keyboards. You know, we got the Huntsman keyboard.
That gave me chicken chin though.
Man, you know, and we're gonna get you kitted out. So don't you worry. But you know, we're making the best gaming chairs in the game right now. Like we make everything that the gamer touches. Your keyboard, mouse mat, headset, controller, monitor, chairs.
Yeah, no, I know.
We do it all. Streaming webcam. We got sound bars. We got it all. And we're always pushing the envelope and trying to bring you guys the best that we can bring you. So
there is.
You know, bringing you closer to the game.
Well, hey, you had to make it natural, and this is natural, Brad. Eh? Well, it's a pleasure to speak to you. Hopefully, I'm able to edit this. You know how it goes.
Life is good.
It goes good. Yeah. Hey, nice to meet you, my friend.
Thank you so much.
I'm not sure if I'm gonna see you again because basically, you know, we're down here in Dallas. We're gonna see the main stage.
Okay.
If I'm able to
for me, because I'm gonna be here.
But well, that is everything for us. Be creative, awesome, and real. Yeah.